It's a really cold day. Rainy day.
I gotta clean this room. It's not that bad, but it's kind of.
Hi, Chipper. You buddy. She put you up there. You can't even get down from here. Nah, y'all up here. You can't even get down from there. It's so rude. It's so rude. So mean. So mean. Oh, so, hey, don't do that. Say hi, Andy.
Hi.
Where's that at? Oh, where's it go?
Over here.
You have to be in the darkest corner, don't you? It has to be in the darkest corner.
So dumb.
Since we don't got special lighting and stuff, just two broke kids in an apartment. Center lines. Who cares? Anyway.
Well, here we go. We have the bag full of clothes, Christmas clothes that we didn't want because either we can't fit it or this looks gross. I guess I gotta wash them again. Do they wash these things at homeless shelters?
I don't know.
I truly don't know if they wash clothes.
I gotta look it up. I don't know if we wash clothes at homeless centers or not, but we're gonna donate them to homeless shelters. And we'll also probably donate some clothes that we can't fit to homeless shelters. But for now, we're just gonna clean up
This area got the clothes that needed to be washed for a week. Toilet paper that her dad keeps getting us. And that's basically about it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that.
How's with this camera? Sorting clothes out like this. This is the clothes that we want to keep and go wash, so we put them in the bag just full of terry
You didn't even
towels.
take the tag off.
Who cares? We're gonna wash them soon anyway.
Yeah, you didn't take the tag off.
Who cares? We're gonna wash them soon
I'm gonna
anyway.
kill myself. Kill yourself.
I know. Got the Rick and Morty shirt.
What the heck? You didn't take any of the tags off.
I forgot to. You want me to get scissors?
You couldn't wash his clothes with the tag still on.
These are double. This is an XL.
This is what I got for Christmas.
Can I even fit this? It's an XL.
And I got this for Christmas.
Watch out, Chippa. Don't get squashed. Hold up. I gotta try this on. I don't know if this is gonna fit me at all. This is an XL. This is an XL I gotta give this to the homeless too. Because I cannot fit these. And I will not be gaining weight to fit them. This is baggy as heck. I don't like how this feels. I might have to give this to the homeless. It did not give us any gift receipts either. It's a bro moment. Bro moment. Yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna be washing these. You don't need. Yeah. Pass me. Chipper, what are you doing? She's enjoying your gifts.
Yeah.
She's opening your gifts. Oh, another one right here. Oh, that's not it. No, right here. Wait, what's this tag? Oh, sweatpants. I'm not good at keeping clothes together, am I? And
Anime girl shirt.
Sailor Moon, do not disrespect Sailor Moon by calling her an anime girl. She is the okay. She is the anime girl for real, for real. I just gotta get all the clothes up for real, for real. I think peripheral a lot more than I used to. I've been completely brainwashed by the Gen Z media. I know. Put these. Ugh. 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 Why is some of these cold?
I don't know.
Is it because it's cold in here? I think clothes wouldn't just get cold just because. Very crazy. Besides that, our darn old holidays were pretty lame.
They were very lame.
So my dad got me a ding dang. Right. Yeah. Oh, this is wet. Why is it wet? Jacoby.
No.
Jacoby.
No.
I knew a man named Jacoby. I did. I was also saying earlier, I saw the holidays were kind of lame, for real, for real. Once again, when people ask you to get gift cards, usually just get gift cards. It's honestly the best way to go. Because it's obviously they don't know what they want. If you know that someone don't know what they want, and they want something, you think it's best to get them something for the holiday?
What the heck?
But isn't that your wig thingy?
Yeah.
Why's your wig thingy in here? Should be clean. Wait, was that the bottom?
It smells gross now because you put it in here with the dirty clothes.
It smells like an air fryer. It smells like the air fryer. That's what it smells like. What's that? Oh, it's my new Pokemon shirt. Thank you.
You still didn't take the tags off.
I forgot. Now I put a lot in there with tags on. How's she get up there? I see legit this, bro. I don't even know how she gonna figure out where to go on the bed with this.
So weird.
Like I find clothes that have tags. I'm still here. One. I have one on right now. I wonder how people are gonna feel having new clothes. So Moon, Julia. Jeans. So pants. Is that all we have? I bet you when I'm looking through these for stains later, I'll find one. Give me those socks. And then throw these. And then with those, and I'll wash these next time. Ugh. Yeah, this. How does it look on me? Hold on, let me stand up.
No. Say hi to the kid.
I'm not an XL. This feels gross on me. I don't like buying clothes like this. Like,
You don't even see
it looks nice enough, but I don't like buying clothes like this, so I might have to get this to the home shelter. It's not good. Oh well.
I got these slippers for Christmas.
I got a pair too, but they're kind of spread
That's
apart.
one. I didn't get this pair for Christmas. I got this blanket and this stuffed gnome. The lighting in here sucks.
Because it's hecka dark, because there's no lights on. Turn the lights on.
No.
I hate it. They're so into the hand, basically.
Should be better. I got this hat week for Christmas.
Oh, the one
These
with the
earrings.
coffees.
And a bunch of weird coffee. And a bunch of clothes that don't fit.
Don't get jealous, because they gotta give a return receipt.
This isn't mine. This is Kenai.
Get out of that corner.
This is mine, but they don't fit at all. Like all the ones that they got us, we have to donate because none of them fit. And also, they're kind of ugly, not gonna lie, bro.
Oh, wow, bro. Let's see. If you see this, there's a gift card this time, but not for real. Thank you for presents.
Gift cards. Yeah, this is why we ask for gift cards all the time and not clothes, but they continue to get us clothes, which is cool and stuff, but we kind of want to save people's money because they really don't know our style and they end up not fitting all the time. And they shop at the places that we don't shop at. So we just ask everyone for gift cards.
I know.
But they never did it for us.
It smells like Darnold. It smells good.
And that's it, I guess.
It smells like a shoe store.
Gross.
Yeah.
And then I got all these socks. Well, not all of them, but some of them.
Did I get it? I think I got it.
Ooh, I should try the other wig on that I got.
You got multiple wigs.
I only got 2 weeks.
I think I got 3 wigs. Oh no, I got mannequin heads.
Oh, yes, and mini. Can anyone see me?
No, the closet's dark as heck. You got no light in that closet.
You're a lie, because they can't.
Ah.
Well, I do know.
I missed.
What do you do?
I hit me in the leg.
Oof.
It's really something. Yeah.
That's
Ain't look like you.
literally Oh,
That it?
okay.
Sweet.
I'm still trying something though. Smells so weird. This headband, bob, wig, whatever.
Here she comes. Hey, get out there. Get out to the closet. Hey, get out there. Hey, you. Get out to the closet. Hey, give me this.
How do I look? Get out of
Pretty
my
weird.
shot.
See, tip. No, right to your closet. Get out of there.
This looks so weird on me. How do I look?
Like a white mom from the 80s.
No! Wait, this is so ugly.
You be a little bit lighter, you look like you call me the N-word. Hard R. What are you chewing on here? You stuck?
Bruh.
You're always doing something, Chipper. Ah, you jerk. It hurt. Get out of the closet. It's not for you. It's not meant for you.
It's not me.
Oh, let me see. Look what it means. Oh, that's a sharp baby nail. You got a sharp baby nail there. Why is he paused? Go on, Chipper. And put
You're a
that-
weirdo.
Come on, let's go. But bam, this one is Christmas morning, and it tastes like cranberry jam, caramel, and has nut butter. And she said it doesn't taste that bad. This looks disgusting. Oh, this one's normal. This one's a normal coffee. This one's alright. It's normal.
It's HEB from Texas.
Texas pecan. I can't eat that because I'm allergic to nuts. Haha. Here's another one. Snow Job Holly Blend. This is actually the most normal one in this entire package. It has chocolate and truffle something.
Ooh.
Ooh. Next one is. I hate this box. I have to have no idea how to pronounce this. Guatemala top gumdrop,
Ow? I don't know.
which has candied orange. Tastes like candy orange, plum, cherry, and milk chocolate. What? I can't eat most of these. Drink most of these. It tastes like the heck, poinsettia blend. Tastes like dark chocolate bark. Oh no, that's one word. Dark chocolate bark.
Bruh.
Toasted nut and floral. What's floral taste like?
What's one word?
Dark chocolate black bark. That's one sentence. That's one phrase. That's one ingredient. Home for the holidays. Tastes like graham cracker, orange, and peanut butter cup. For real, so I'm be touching this. The last one is Sweater Weather. Molten lava cake, toffee. Actually, no, this one's pretty normal too. They got like three normal ones. It's an entire pack. Some mess. I don't know who.
Some mess.
I don't know who's making these darn flavors, but they've been trying too hard for real.
Ew.
Just give someone chocolate coffee and call it hot chocolate or something. They'd be doing like this. Also, we got coffee maker in the air fryer. It smells like. Because air fryer smells like it tastes like food tastes like air fryer. For real.
And a tiny slow cooker.
But we gave away to our friends because all we need is a tiny slow cooker. We're gonna have a big one. Then we got a coffee maker because they didn't know what a French press was.
Bruh. It's not even. You just look it up.
Exactly. It's not that hard. It's like a French press. It does help out a lot though to have a fast coffee maker thing, I guess.
Dual.
Oh wait, hold up. Hold up, I show you.
Technology. 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 Heck yeah, it's a touch screen.
What the heck?
I don't know. I just
This
did
is high tech.
I don't know,
What's
this is-
going on? Oh, why did they make it look so crazy on here?
Oh, just light shutter speed.
I thought it was actually doing that.
How do I stop these presets? There you go.
Why is it light shutter speed?
I don't know, because light loses different speed for different items.
No one else's cameras do this.
Oh, they do. Probably the shutter speed thing. Who knows? I don't care.
Right.
That's basically it. We didn't really get much this Christmas. Oh yeah, my dad got me a Visa, and that thing does not work on anything except for Amazon and some online stores. Can't even use it on PlayStation. It's like $100. I had to use it all on Amazon. I had to buy a card from Amazon to get PlayStation Network cards for my PlayStation.
That's a mess.
It's weird. But that's basically it. That's not really happening this year. But planning to clean up the house a little bit more, get rid of all those boxes in the corner. Clean up the house a little bit more. You know, holidays, you don't really care about cleaning, more care about something because everything else sucks. Leaves, everybody.
The box my way came in.
That had multiple wigs in it?
Just one.
Oh, this one.
Oh.
That's that. Nothing really happened. So, like, you know, Happy New Year's, everybody. That's it. Nothing else here. This is the holiday vlog right here. You don't need no extra
New
mess.
Year.
You don't need no extra mess. Who actually goes to New Year's parties?
Happy New Year.
Stay home. Happy New Year. Stay home.
Happy New
Don't.
Year.
You gonna keep saying it?
I'm trying to do it in the voice.
You're failing at it multiple times in a row. You think you should stop trying to do the voice? Happy New Year's. Also, I wish if someone can comment how you get rid of the air fryer taste in your food, like it tastes like how the air fryer smells. Do I need like wash it in vinegar or something? What I do? Just tell me. Thank you. That'd be nice. Where'd Shipper go? She better not be pooping in my room.
And I got a black. No. I got a black man for Christmas.
Keel. 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 Keel.